What's going on, guys? It's Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today I wanted to talk with you guys about how to fix peeling tank pads or tank grips that are on your superbike tank cover. And also, this can act as a solution to reusing tank grips if you've taken them off another tank cover. Because usually, when you take the tank grips off the way they're designed with the adhesive layering is going to basically be deteriorated. So if you want to reuse them, you need another way to stick them to the tank cover. But so yeah, this can be a solution for that as well. But I'll show you guys the issue. And I absolutely love these tank pads. These are the Tech Spec tank grips or tank pads. Awesome tank pads, absolutely love them. But there's just this one issue that I've had with multiple different tank pad brands, and that's right at these edges right here. After riding with them a lot and through different elements, rain, dust, and dirt, this starts to wear the adhesive there, and it doesn't stick well. I haven't had an issue like that with the bottom ones, but it seems that whatever tank cover or tank grips I use, I have that issues with these top ones. So I want to show you guys a way that you can seal the tank grips back onto the bike without damaging anything, and this will also allow you to reuse them in the future. And like I said, this solution works too for if you're reusing tank pads that have kind of lost their adhesive strength. So what you're going to do is go to your hardware store, get some black RTV silicone sealant. Do not get glue. Do not get any type of super glue, because you will ruin the tank grips, and it will put permanent damage on the tank cover that you're using. The cool thing about silicone is it's not going to do that. It also has water resistant capabilities. It lasts a long time, very durable. So this is going to be a great solution because you can reuse the tank grips, and it's going to really seal this edge to the bike or any part of the tank grip that's lost its adhesive capability. So what we're going to do, this has a 1 hour cure time, so we're just going to put a little bit on in these sections where it is fraying or peeling, and then we're going to wait an hour, and I'll show you the results after an hour so you guys can see how well this really works. So first thing we're going to do is just you don't need a lot, you just need a tiny bit, and you're going to put this silicone right in there, just a drop on the inside of the tank grip or tank pad, and we're going to do that to both sides and then let it cure for an hour and see how it looks. Once you have the little dab of silicone on the tank grip and you press it up against the tank cover, just put a piece of gaffer's tape over it to seal it to the tank cover while the silicone is curing. That way you don't have to worry about the tank grip coming off the tank cover during the curing process. So the reason I use gaffer's tape and not duct tape is because duct tape will leave residue behind, which may be hard to get off, and gaffer's tape, you don't have to worry about that at all. So it's not going to leave any residue on the tank cover or the tank grip. It'll just come right off, but it is strong enough to seal the tank grip to the cover. So as you can see, all 4 spots where the tank grip adhesive was failing have a little dab of black RTV silicone on it, and we've secured these parts of the tank grip in place with gaffer's tape, and we're going to wait an hour, come back. I'll show you guys how it looks, how it came out. Alright, so we waited an hour, actually a little more than an hour, like 2 hours, and as you can see, none of the edges are peeling anymore on the tank grips. So it worked perfectly. And now if someone's on the bike and they're moving around, the tank grips aren't going to fray or peel anymore. And then you might have to wait a little bit more than an hour. It says an hour on the box, but might have to wait you know, around 2 hours. But yeah, there you guys go, just a quick little fix. You don't want to buy new tank grips to keep them from peeling when the adhesive wears off.